Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to buy Ethereum on OKX. For that, you will have to just launch your OKX mobile application, and after that, you will have to use this search bar in the top, and in the search bar, you simply need to search for ETH. Once done, you are able to find a bunch of different pairs of ETH like ETH/USDT, ETH/USDC, ETH/DAI. So the most convenient way for you to buy Ethereum on OKX is by having USDT on your account. So if you want to purchase it with USDT, then you will have to select the pair of ETH/USDT. Once you've done that, you will be landed on its chart. Now over here, you are going to see the option of trade in the bottom. So you need to tap on trade, and then you will be landed on this buy page. Now over here, you can select it as limit order. If you select it as limit order, then it will take the current price of Ethereum. So if you want to purchase Ethereum on its current price, then you can select it as limit order. But if you want to place your own price, then you can select it as market order, and you can enter your own desired price at which you want to purchase Ethereum. Then you need to enter the amount of USDT that you want to use in order to purchase Ethereum on OKX. You can even use this slider, which will automatically take USDT from your account. Then you will have to tap on this buy Ethereum option, and this way your order will be placed and you are going to get the Ethereum in your OKX account. If you want to view them, then you will have to tap on the assets tab in the bottom right hand corner of the screen, and on this page you are going to see your Ethereum. So if the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.